I'm Dolly Dhawan from GD Salwan Public School, New Delhi. My greetings to the August gathering on this virtual platform. One of the main aims of learning a language is being able to communicate and creatively express oneself. All the four skills of language learning, listening, speaking, reading, and writing are enhanced by a rich vocabulary. Learning new words and using them is a tedious and not so interesting task for the students. As a teacher, I always used to wonder if I could use an innovative way to help my students enrich their vocabulary. I was introduced to the artificial intelligence tools at my training by CBSE and Intel. And since then, I felt more enriched and confident in creating a teaching learning environment for my students that's not only conducive, but also happy and enjoyable for them. With my friends presenting the integration of AI in biodiversity and our planet Earth in the previous presentations, let's now move into human life and values that can be imbibed through integration of AI tools into literature. The lesson being taken here is from Class 8 NCERT textbook. This is Jodie's Fawn, which talks about ethics and feeling of empathy, consciousness, and emotional well-being. It makes the learners appreciate values like compassion, justice, care, and concern for human and animal life. This lesson plan has made use of a number of artificial intelligence tools to engage the learners in interactive activities for developing their vocabulary, creative expression, language fluency, and making them reflect on the values one needs to possess. To start with, at the pre-reading stage, I use the AI tool Model Machine, which has also been discussed by my friends in the previous presentations. Playing word games is a fun way to increase vocabulary and learn new words. Semantris works with word associations that can enhance written expression as students work on enriching their writing with adjectives, adverbs, and synonyms. It's a quick thinking game which helps activate passive vocabulary. Semantris is powered by machine learning and NLP, that is natural language processing. Semantris is also available in the gaming zone. Mystery Animal is another effective tool in developing questioning skills of the learners. Another tool that can be used as a post-reading activity is AI Dungeon, which helps the learners create stories. It develops skills such as creativity, imagination, language expression, logical thinking, and even builds a cohesive and smooth narrative experience. I first used discussion method as a whole class activity to initiate the students into the theme of the story they were going to read. I made them brainstorm and collaborate further through the EdTech tool Mentimeter to make them reflect upon their previous knowledge and relate it to the new learning. This activity even lets the students with inhibitions to make their contributions, which probably otherwise would have been difficult in a non-digital way. When I introduced Semantris to a group of students, surprisingly, they wanted to play it again and again. I'd used it as an extension to the pre-reading stage of my lesson. Here, I'd like to show you how much my students had enjoyed the integration of AI tools in the lesson. I'd like to share with you all their responses when they were introduced with the AI tools as part of their lesson. Yes, Divyanshi, how did you find this game?
I found this game really interesting in order to develop my story writing skills furthermore, because a lot of scenarios were there, and change of those scenarios made me develop into made me write a more creative story.
Hi, I love playing the AI game Semantris. It has helped me improve my word association skills that enable me to think quickly, thus sharpening my thought process. We friends often challenge each other who would get the highest score. And in this fun way, I've realized that it has improved my written expression through the use of the words which have now become a part of my active vocabulary. And this time where learning happens from home, I think that these AI tools can certainly take learning to a new level.
I played the game Semantress. It was an interesting game. It helped me to improve my vocabulary and also helped me learn new words. I also played the game Moral Machine. It was also very interesting.
I find AI Dungeon a fun adventure story writing tool which gives wings to my imagination. It responds to my inputs and creates a fitting response to the flow of the story. I must say, it removes the writer's block and is a way for us to have a wonderful narrative experience.
So I played the game Semantress, and it is a wonderful game. Not only I think it will improve, but it is also a fun thing to do.
Not only students, but my colleagues at school also enjoyed using the AI tools. We discussed amongst ourselves how we could use the tools in our respective subjects. The sharing of ideas and discussion with my school principal and teachers is leading to a meaningful integration of AI into our school curriculum. The teachers here are all happy and excited to share this new learning phase of their professional journey with you all.
You have to give an associated, the word which is coming on top, you have to give an associated word with that.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is a good game.
Yes.
Hello friends, I would like to say that I have used Moral Machine in my subject business studies, and it has really helped me develop business ethics in my students.
I have found Google Earth a very effective tool. It has made my students visit virtual tours without going at any place.
AI यानी कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता, इसे मैंने अपने हिंदी विषय के साथ संलग्न किया, जिसे बच्चों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया। मैंने अपनी 9वीं कक्षा में AI टूल 4Ws प्रॉब्लम कैनवस का उपयोग किया, जिसके अंतर्गत कौन, क्या, कहां और क्यों जैसे प्रश्नों के साथ छात्रों को कविता के मूल भाव को एक नई सोच के साथ समझने का अवसर मिला और इसके साथ-साथ उनके प्रश्न कौशल का भी विकास हुआ।
The value of a good education lasts a lifetime, though it starts very early. It's for the school and the family to give this good educational values to the children. Artificial intelligence is a great initiative of the CBSE, and children of my school are tremendously engaged in doing research work through use of artificial intelligence. I have seen them engaged very fruitfully, very purposefully, think critically, analytically, and apply the artificial intelligence tools to solve problems which we come across in daily lives. So I compliment CBSE and thank everybody for taking this big initiative.
Artificial intelligence helps learners create new ideas and add value. They learn to communicate for a purpose across cultures, become confident in solving problems, and manage learning. To sum up, we can say artificial intelligence is a collection of mindsets. Use of AI tools in enhancing the vocabulary has empowered my students to be able to communicate and express themselves in real-life speaking situations. We've seen how much my students had enjoyed interacting with AI tools, and now as a result of it, they practice it more often. AI truly believes in one size does not fit all adage and caters effectively to the need of each learner. Thank you so much. Over to you, Sarita ma'am.